This video is a presentation of Bankers Petroleum Limited, brought to you by allpenny.stocks.com. Bankers Petroleum trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange on the ticker BNK. This is one of our bullish investor technical stocks to watch. Stock bounced in November off a nice support level around 235. Put itself together a nice climb, just pushed above the 50-day moving average, challenged the 200-day moving average. We'll be keeping an eye on this, see if it's going to make that push and challenge these old highs. Nice reversal going on with the MACD. Bullish cross almost a month ago. Now back through the zero line. So technical traders call breaking the money line. It's typically a very bullish indication of trend. Not getting a lot from the ADX, down pretty low, only registering just over 13. That tells me there's not a lot of strength of the direction in this chart right now. So if this can continue that move off of that bottom, I'll certainly be looking for this ADX to start recording higher levels and add some strength to the direction. Nice look to the money flow index, holding over top of 50, showing people are paying higher prices for the stock. Accumulation distribution also in a nice little uptrend, signaling that there's buying going on in the play. That break of the zero line, the shake and money flow, shows that buying pressure overtook selling pressure over the last 20 periods. CCI, just a great move. We talk about this a lot of times. That would have been the buy point for bottom feeders to grab it as the CCI comes out of negative 100. They'd have caught the full breadth of this climb. But technically speaking, per the definition of the CCI, buy and sell points are the break of 100, and registering 106, it would still be in a holding pattern at this point. Full stow, up over top of 80, well over 50, showing us holding bullish momentum in the play. And the Trix has also dropped a bullish cross, now moving back to and trying to break through zero. Again, it's a bullish sign of trend. Chart certainly is overall getting a bullish feel to it. Relative strength index, all three components that I use, holding over top of 50. Again, that's showing sustained momentum in the play. And from a candle standpoint, nice support level there at 235. Identify the upper side of that channel, right up there around $3.40. See, historically speaking, that was a support level. It's certainly serving as resistance throughout the middle part of this year. And with its closing at 286 on Tuesday, as I mentioned, it's holding above this 50-day moving average and a secondary support level right there around $2.80. So with the indicators showing building momentum and building trend, and keep an eye on this now to push past this 200-day moving average, which would be something you can see it hasn't accomplished in more than a year. So it's important for it to push through that dynamic resistance point, and that does couple with a little bit of resistance, kind of through this channel right through here. But again, it's a secondary resistance point. If it can move above this 50-day, and volume can stay strong, see almost 2 million shares traded on Tuesday. Now it's an increase in volume over the previous days. I'd suspect it may go up here and challenge the upper end of this channel. Obviously, that's still nice gains from where it is at this point, but a break through that top end resistance, it could be looking at coming through this area much higher to challenge some old highs around $4 and signify an overall reversal in this chart after channeling for about 6 months between the 230 and 330 range. Nice looking play, got some key technical points, and one worth keeping an eye on to see where it goes from here. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the Banker Petroleum chart. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpenny.stocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. I do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.